Guys, today's video is not just a video, it's basically my crying session in 4K yesterday. EA did a live stream for the upcoming Captain's event, and I swear on my Wi-Fi bill, this is the worst event ever. Like honestly, after watching it, I wanted to uninstall the game, break my phone, and then reinstall just to uninstall again. EA hyped it up like CR7, Messi, Maldini, Buffon, Gerrard, and I was like, oh yes, rewards gonna be fiery, but then reality hit harder than my mom's chapal. Not a single card is free to play, not even by mistake. They showed shiny banners. But for us F2P players, it's like going to a wedding, watching special dishes being served, and then being told, son, you'll only get the salad. So here's the breakdown. Don't cry, I already did for you. Main section, skill games plus matches. You get tokens, quests, rewards like gems, captain tokens, shards, icons, Iniesta, Chiellini, Dunga, all 107 OVR max. Basically, EA gave us old age pensioner versions. And yes, they do upgrade depending on real life club performance. But let's be honest, by the time Roma wins 3 matches in a row, I'll already be married with kids. The rewards play every day, grind tokens, complete challenges. After weeks of sweating, you get a 107 OVR captain. Like, bro, why not just mail us a participation certificate instead? The big players, Messi, Ronaldo, Maldini, Cruyff, locked behind pay to win walls. Either open 80 packs equals, which means sell kidney, or A, collect 4,000 shards equals, which means sell both the kidneys. F2P community. Hey bro, now we should switch to uninstalling the game. The only good part, EA gave us one thing, a walkout animation. Yes, the walkout looks amazing, but guess what? The player in that animation is not free to play. Hahaha. It's like EA showed us a Ferrari in the showroom and then handed us a broken cycle with no chain. The Star Pass and other jokes. Star Pass, spend money, get good cards. Free to play, you get 1 pack, some shards, and emotional damage. There's also a free 110 rated card, which you will get guaranteed if you had saved 60,000 league tokens. What are my final thoughts? This event is officially the most expensive, the most pointless, and the most heartbreaking event in FC Mobile history. I'm sad, you're sad, even Messi in the promo art looks sad. If EA continues like this, F2P players will vanish faster than my coins after buying Star Pass by mistake. So yeah, comment your thoughts below. Maybe EA will listen to us. Not today, not tomorrow, but maybe in FC Mobile 2077. Outro guys, I'll keep making videos because I love you all. But please motivate me in the comments. Because right now, my motivation is lying in ICU after watching this event. Till then, stay strong, stay broke, stay free to play.